Hello students, how are you all? Fine? Very good. So welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Okay children? So can you remember what I have taught you in the last episode? Yes children? What we have learnt? Yes, letter J and letter K. Very good. So have you all done the practice of phonic sound? Can you tell me what is the phonic sound of letter J? Very good. It is J. And what is the phonic sound of letter K? It is K. Very good. So before starting with our today's topic, I will show you some objects. You have to see what it is and you have to tell the names. Okay? You have to tell their names to me. Are you ready? Very good. So children, see the very first object. Okay? What is this? Yes. What is this? Leaf. Very good. What is this? It is a leaf. See this. What it is? Yes. Lock. Very good. And what is the beginning sound? Yes. Can you notice what is the beginning sound of this picture? Object? L. Very good. L, lock. Now, this is your favorite. What it is? Yes, children, what it is? Lollipop. Everybody here like to eat lollipops, na? Yes. So, what is the beginning sound? It is L, lollipop. Okay? See this. What it is? This is king of jungle. Do you know? Yes, very good. It is lion. Lion. What it is? It is lion. Okay children? And one more thing. What is this? This you can see in the kitchen room. Yes children? Yes, very good. It's a lemon. Lemon. Okay children? Now I have shown you the objects. So have you all noticed the beginning sound of all these objects? Yes? What is the beginning sound of all these objects? This is leaf, leaf. Very good. This is lock, lollipop, lion and lemon. So the beginning sound of all these objects is L. And today I am going to teach you the phonic sound of letter L. Okay? So the phonic sound of letter L is L. What it is? The phonic sound of letter L is L. So today we are going to learn letter L. Open your literacy skill book, page number 4040. See here what you can see on this page. Yes children, what you can see? Letter capital L and this is letter small l. And the phonic sound of letter L is L. Now I have shown you some objects and what was the beginning sound of that objects? It was L. So today we are going to learn the phonic sound of letter L. Okay children? You have to repeat after me, okay? L, ladybird. L, ladybird. L, lion. L, leaf. Lemon. Light. Okay? These are some pictures that begins with the sound L. Okay children? Yes. Now turn the page. Next page you have to open. Page number 4141 of your textbook. Okay children? Now I will show you how to practice writing letter capital L. Are you ready for that? Come on, sharpen your pencils properly. Be ready with your pencil eraser. So, let us trace and write letter capital L. To write letter capital L, first you have to draw a standing line from red line to blue line. Okay? And from blue line to blue line, a small slipping line. Come on, complete fast. Yes. Capital letter L. Capital letter L. capital letter L. What is the phonic sound of letter L? It is L. L, lemon. L, light. L, lion. Okay. Now I will show you how to write small letter L. Okay, children. To write small letter L, first you have to draw a standing line from red line to blue line. Okay. Only you have to draw a standing line for small letter L. Come on, repeat after me. Small letter L. Small letter L. Write fast. Small letter L. And what is the phonic sound of letter L? It is L. L, lion. L, lemon. L, leaf. L, light. Okay, children. So this is small letter L. Okay, complete fast. Complete fast. Which letter I have taught you now? It is letter L. Very good. Now, here is small activity given below. This you have to write at home. You have to write here H.W homework. Okay, children? Now turn the page. Next page you have to open. Open the next page, that is 4 to 42. Here are some pictures. We have to write the first letter of each picture. Okay. So, what is this? Which picture is this? Yes, children? Very good. It is a leaf. So, here we have to write capital letter L. Leaf. Which picture is this? Lock. Lock. Which flower is this? Very good. It's a lily. Lily. What is this? This lemon. Lemon. Lift. Lunchbox. Okay. So here we have to write capital letter L. Okay. The beginning letter of each picture we have to write. So finished? So children, now we have learned letter L. Okay, so one more letter I am going to teach you today. Okay, so do you want to see what I am going to show you? Yes, few objects I am going to show you. You have to see that objects and you have to tell me their names. Okay, children, very good. So the very first object is this. What is this? It's your favorite, yes? Which fruit is this? Mango. What is this? Mango, okay? What is this? Yes, children? What is this? It's a monkey. What it is? Monkey. Say hi. Hi. Okay, what is this? Monkey. Okay, children? See this. What it is? Every day we see our face. Yes, what it is? It's a mirror. What it is? Mirror. Okay. Yes, and one more thing that now daily we are using to cover our mouth. Okay. We are using during this corona period. One thing we are using to cover our mouth. That is, what is this? Yes, children? What is this? Yes, it's a mask. What is this? This is a mask. Everybody, you all are wearing this mask. Whenever you all are going out of your house, you have to compulsory use this mask. So what is this? Mask. Okay. So children, tell me the beginning sound of these objects. What is the beginning sound? What it is? Come on everybody, you have to repeat the sound after me. Mango. Mirror. Mask. Monkey. Yes. So now what is the sound that we have said just now? It is okay. So today we are going to learn a new letter. Okay children, open your literacy skill book, page number 4343. Capital letter M and letter small m. So today we are going to learn letter M. Okay, and what is the phonic sound of letter M? Just now we have read some sounds. Yes children, just now I have shown you some objects, and what was the beginning sound of that objects? Can you remember? Just remember and tell me. Very good. It was How you have to say? Mango. Yes. So we will see some objects. Here some pictures are given. We will see the beginning sound. Okay children. The very first is, what is this? Mango. Repeat after me. The phonic sound of letter M is M. But whenever you say the sound, you don't have to say M. Okay. You have to just say okay. Like mango, monkey, mushroom, mouse, man, mud. Okay children, so you have to practice this phonic sound of letter M. Now turn the page, open page number 4343. We have done the picture reading now. Now you have to open the next page, that is page number 4444. Okay children. Now here I am going to show you how to write letter capital M. First you have to draw a standing line from red line to blue line. One slanting line from red line to blue line. One more slanting line from blue line to red line. And one more standing line. This is capital letter M. Come on, write with teacher. Repeat the letter. Capital letter M. What is the phonic sound? Very good. Mango, monkey, mushroom, man. Okay. One more time we have to practice here in these lines. Capital letter M. Capital letter M. Complete fast. In good handwriting you have to write. Okay children. Capital letter M. Capital letter M. Finished? Now I will show you how to write small letter M. Okay children. You have to write small m in two blue lines. Okay children. In between two blue lines you have to write small letter M. First you have to draw a standing line. Then you have to draw a curve and one more curve. Okay. Small letter M. Mango. Repeat after me. Mango. Mushroom. Mushroom. Monkey. You have to say the sound of the letter and you have to practice writing. Okay. You have to do practice of writing. Yes or no? Very good. Small letter M. Small letter M. Complete fast. Next activity we have to do here, we have to draw the lines to help the monkey to reach the things that begin with the letter M. So which picture is this, children? First picture, what you can see? It is a muskmelon. So you have to draw a line from this monkey to muskmelon, okay? Next picture is mushroom. You have to draw a line, okay? And the one more picture, what you can see here is mango. So you have to draw a line. In this way, we have to complete this page. Done? Turn the page. Next page you have to open page number 4, 5, 45. Okay, children? Now here we have to do practice. Write the first letter of each picture. You have to identify the picture and you have to write the first letter. So which picture is this? Very good. It's a mug. And what is the beginning letter of that picture? Yes, the beginning letter of this picture is M. So here you have to write capital letter M. Mug. This is mud. Mud. Which picture is this? Milk. Very good. Milk. Mat. Mop. And last one is mushroom. So these all pictures that starts with the letter M. Okay, children? And the phonic sound of letter M is okay? Now turn the page. Next page. Can you see here page number 4646? This is a sticker activity. Okay, children? What is this? This is a sticker activity and the stickers that are given at the last of your textbook. Okay? At the last, the stickers are given. You have to peel the stickers from this page and you have to complete this activity at home. Okay? So you have to write here H.W homework. Yes, children? What do you have to write here? H.W homework. Okay? Yes. And one more page, the next page. What you can see? Yes, page number 4747. What you can see here? Yes, children? It is a train. Yes, very good. You have to practice this missing letters, okay, at home. This is also your homework. H.W homework. Okay, children? Missing letter means the letters which are missing you have to write, okay, at home. One example I will show you. This is letter A. So which letter is missing here? Yes, children. Which letter will come after A? Very good. Letter B. After letter B, which letter will come? Letter C. Very good. In this way, you have to complete this page at home. This is your homework. Okay? Done? Very good. Now you have to open your literacy workbook. You have to open your literacy workbook, page number 1717, okay? Here you have to write H.W homework. You have to practice writing capital M and letter small m. Also you have to color the picture of mushroom, okay, children? Yes. Next page. Page number 1. Today we have learned 2 letters, yes or no, children? So you have to open this page, page number 16 also. By mistake I have left, sorry. You have to open page number 1616 and you have to write here H.W homework, okay? You have to practice writing capital letter L and letter small l also, okay? You have to color the picture of a ladybird, okay? Letter L and letter M. These two letters we have learned. So this, both the pages, you have to do the practice at. So today which letters we have learned? Two letters we have learned. Yes or no? Letter L and letter M. So what is the phonic sound of letter L? It is L. And what is the phonic sound of letter M? It is M. So you have to practice this phonic sound of both the letters at home. And also along with that you have to do the writing practice, okay children, of letter capital L, small l and letter capital M and small m. So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.